Hi there, so this video is actually part of a series of the pins to paychecks. This is where we are creating a blog that we are going to use Pinterest for to drive traffic to basically do our affiliate marketing that way. This is a faceless method basically, so to say, because you don't have to perform on video, you don't have to create any videos. You can absolutely just do it through creative writing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Pinterest account. So there's a few things that we got to think about beforehand, but I'm going to cover that in different videos. This video is just going to explain to you how to set up a Pinterest business account. So we're going to go over to Pinterest and click on Pinterest on the Google search. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you come to Pinterest without having a Pinterest account. Now, if you already have a Pinterest account, it's up to you. You can continue with that. I'll just show you how to create a business account from it. And the reason why we want to have a Pinterest business account is because with that you can see your analytics. You can see who's visiting your pins, how many views they're getting, and analytics are very important. I'm going to show you how to create a new Pinterest account. I'm going to continue to the sign up button. Okay, actually, before you're going to enter all of that, I want you to go right down to the bottom of this sign up little pop-up and go to create a free business account and click on that. And I'm going to create a new account. So type in your email address and your password. And click on create account. So now you're creating your Pinterest business account. For the purposes of affiliate marketing, we're going to choose content creator. Now next, we have to fill in this information. You can just right now put I don't have a website. And for your business or brand name, you will put in here something that you have created. In the previous video we talked about Pinterest trends and we used ChatGPT to make a business name. That's what you're going to put in here in this blog. So we're going to put in what are our business goals. We want to drive traffic to our site. What is the focus of our brand? Now this you will know from the previous video of what you've chosen, what you want to be promoting, what your blog is going to be about. So I'm going to put in here home. And then we're done. And now you've got your Pinterest business account. What we're going to do is we're just going to click this away. And you're going to have to customize your account now, just like you do with any social media account. You're going to have to put in a profile photo, you're going to have to put in a description, a bio, all of these things. Okay, this is all for today in this video, because now you have your Pinterest account. Now, this series you can learn from the videos, but to go in depth and have my full support in this, I do have my course listed below, which is hosted in my Skool community. And in this course we're going to have live calls and my full support, plus extras obviously that I cannot show you or help you with in these videos. So that was just one part of how to set up your blog for Pinterest and how to really get down to the nitty-gritty right in the first stages before even starting your blog. So follow, like, and subscribe for the next video in this series, which is going to actually help you with the next steps of promoting a blog via Pinterest to do affiliate marketing. Hope to see you there.